Decoloniality refers to the undoing of colonial durabilities. Started by scholars in Latin America, they wanted to examine the coloniality of power, of being, of knowledge, and of gender. Now, some of the decolonialists want to make a radical differentiation between decoloniality and decolonization. But I think of them as two closely related languages, like Xhosa and Zulu. While the decolonizers wanted to eject the colonizer from place, from Africa, from Latin America, from India, what the decolonialists bring onto the table is that even though the colonizers have left, the air is still polluted. The air we breathe is still colonial. So instead of thinking them as radically different languages, what one needs to do is to think of them as two vocabularies that help to think about the current state of the world.